How you zoom in? Like this? Oh, okay, there we go. Look at our friend, y'all. And look at how nice. Say hey, friend. Friend, say hey to the vlog.
Hey, y'all.
She's going to vlog. Oh, sorry.
Y'all already took our pictures together?
Gabby stepped on the baby's hand.
Did y'all already take a picture holding hands? Because y'all the twins, y'all have to.
Yeah, did y'all have a picture holding hands?
I mean, did they get a picture holding their hands together? They the twins?
Why that little boy yelling at them? You got some shit to say. Look at how nice they look.
Who's baby?
Who's fucking?
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over.
Hey y'all! Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, my skin looks, never mind. The twins are going to prom. Like, this is so bittersweet. To be there, I'm gonna be like, oh, it's this day.
Well, it's gonna be real interesting because Zaria's bringing her friends, like her school friends. But it's like, they're all kids, so they're gonna leave and then like it's just gonna be us. But there's gonna be hella drinks and stuff, so like, if you plan
I'm not driving.
Plan on spending the night.
So it's the Saturday and the Sunday?
Probably, yeah, I think.
Okay, well, I don't work weekends. So.
Well, I work Saturday, but I have to. Oh, but I'm already trying to switch to morning. So wait, is it the whole day?
It'll probably be at like 4, 3, 4.
Yup, that's exactly what I'm trying to get off.
We still getting smoothies?
I want to. You want one?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna get smoothies. We'll be like 2 minutes in the car.
Yeah, but watch out.
You don't want to go right now? Is it zoomed in or zoomed out? Okay, there we go. Hola, hola, chicas. We're at the where we at?
Science Center.
We're at the Science Center. I think Kristen record, but the twins is going to prom. Obviously, at this point, y'all should know that. So we're gonna go see them. Hopefully, we don't think they're here yet, but we're going down there.
Yeah, we going down there.
We're going down there. We got pizza and smoothies. I'm feeling a little full, a little bloated.
The charger without tinted windows is so pointless.
Their windows wasn't tinted?
No. The back two were, the front. But why the fuck, you ain't in the back. You running from the police. You in the back.
I mean, what if they're a good person with a charger? They don't need to run for the police for nothing.
Anyways, we're here.
But why
So y'all go, if I see anybody I know, y'all will see.
They just like to look at the charger.
Bye.
I'm scared.
Period. Period.
What are you talking about?
Period.
Like y'all see the movement. I'm sorry. Look at our friends, y'all. Look at how cute they look.
Y'all eating that up.
They are. I'm sorry. I have heels on my hand. That's why I saw. But look how cute. That's a Pirates game, so that's a bunch of white people walking through. Oh, we gonna have to cut that out. Anyway.
You recording?
I am. Okay, I don't know if you guys realize, but they look great. I haven't seen no one. They ate the whole USA up. They ate the whole USA up. But we downtown, tucking with my rounds, my Gucci pink, my booty hole, There's Amina.
Where did Gabby and them go?
Looks pretty too. I don't know. I have to assume the cousin is making her way this way. Step up. Excuse me, baby. We've seen her already. We just want
Did they go down there?
They went to
Oh,
towards the
I
casino.
know that. Oh,
No, that's just Gabby.
Wait, who got
What y'all guys say to the?
I got somebody's phone right here.
What you guys say to the vlog?
Get the string, get the string.
What you guys say to the vlog, friend? Don't worry, we gonna cut that out. What you want to say, friend?
Hey y'all, it's my motherfucking prom and I'm ready to go home. Are you excited? I just said I'm ready to go home. Yeah, but are you excited? I'm good.
Hopefully they got some good food. Haley's over there. Her dress is pretty too.
Enough pics, no? Yeah. Like, take some more, obviously, but I think it's just, this is what's happening to your dress. Yeah. Just try to hold it.
And y'all, you'll be in the dark. So
Yeah, you need a deposit back at least.
Are y'all leaving?
Why? Where you want to?
we still here for a little bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm just asking because you're my friend.
Oh.
Y'all come with us?
Yeah.
Where y'all going?
To the thing? To the water.
Where?
Airbnb, but not
We were going.
anything about it.
We were gonna stop by. I was gonna stop by.
If they wanted us to stop by, I'll stop
They
by.
look cute over there in the grass.
Ray. I gotta go see her.
Oh, I do recognize her.
Oh, they look
But
nice.
when we have on senior year online, I don't know these kids.
No, honestly, when I left Obama, people would be like my friend. Yeah, my friends would be like,
Look at our friend. I don't know.
No, boo.
Hey vloggy vlog. So we're downtown, we're at the arts festival. We're walking, we got here, it's 8:52. They wrapped it up. They ripped them out of the plastic and wrapped them back up. So yeah, we just out here with the boys. So talk to you later.
Sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got a cruise that's in.
Hey guys, welcome back to another. Welcome.
Camera was dead.
No, I got a battery. What? I found one. Ethan's been a hater. Hey guys, I'm in the mall. I'm with Ethan. I don't know where my tripod is. Shopping, I found this. Let me show y'all. Found this. It's like a little sweater, shirt, vest thing. Yeah, I don't know if I should get it or not. I'm still deciding. But it's buy one, get 150% off. So, we'll see.
Wide as hell.
Well, they're bigger.
Much bigger?
I like those.
Do you notice it or am I like making stuff up?
it might just be the color difference.
I
like these better.
I like those better, yeah. They don't look like, they look a little bit lighter to me.
I think all of them are different just because they come from, they're like an animal product. So like,
It's, yeah, makes
skin
sense.
are different, animal skin are different.
Makes sense.
Oh my god, I think it is.
Hey you guys! Oh my gosh, y'all remember that show?
Yes, hey.
What show was that? Electric Company. Hey vloggy vlog.
I'm about to get run over and slows down.
Is there an elevator?
I think.
It better be. Or is it just steps?
Oh, y'all. Diamond, stop talking about cramps. My legs
I know, I got one when I got out of the car. What? My dad was messing. Okay, anyways. Hey vloggy vlog. Today is Wednesday, June 28th. I look a mess. Okay. Wednesday, June 28th. Why does my...
Oh, I smell it now. It's not real strong. It's just like you can smell it. It smells like somebody was smoking.
As you can
and
see,
they just walked past.
the air quality in Pittsburgh is horrible. Back there, you can see. That's what we're talking about. But anyways, we're going to Coupe de Ville. It's 707 Make-A-Wish. It's actually making my throat hurt.
Isn't it 1111 Make-A-Wish?
Yeah. But you gotta make up stuff.
Okay.
It does. Oh, my
okay.
throat's like closing.
Bitch, are you blowing the air? What the fuck? I'm rich like I'm a Jenner.
Yeah, that's too much walking. What floor is this? 3. So we're here. I don't know if they want to be on camera, but I'm with Zion and I'm with Gabby, and we're gonna go see nature. Yeah, my hair looks so thin. Okay, let's see what my hair do when it dry.
You didn't diffuse or anything?
No, I just washed it. But it's...
No! Why would you do that?
Bitch, I pressed it.
It didn't even get on.
Aruba's out. Oh, that's out. Have the choice.
Oh, it's gonna be the last
The
one?
last one.
Okay, okay. I thought it was the first one too. But okay, we'll do the last one.
Okay, I guess. I ain't gonna record that.
Okay.
I'm trying to tell you. Okay, whatever. Alright.
Alright. Where are we going? Costa Rica, Puerto Rico. Ciao, places.
Costa Rica.
Yeah. Okay, Costa Rica. Are we really going? Guys, we are on the way to the car. Rate your food, 1 to 10.
7. 6.
Yeah, y'all saw her food. 6?
6.
6? Okay. What do I rate mine? I'm probably a 6 too. Like, I would definitely try it again, but I wouldn't get that. But I would like either again, I guess. I don't know.
Maybe a chicken sandwich.
Basically,
Yeah.
your shit look like a full life. I do not like buffalo farm. I don't like the farm shit.
Yeah.
But like yours look good.
Mine was good.
It looked.
It was
Was
really.
that an actual hot?
It was definitely well seasoned.
Honestly, that's what I asked for. What you asked for? I asked for plain, but I guess they don't have plain.
No, when
Yeah,
I
I
went to
guess they
get my food, somebody else had wings and it wasn't.
Fried wing.
Yeah.
It was plain.
No,
I said
it wasn't. It wasn't plain, but it was not
That. Oh no.
the
I
one
asked
flavor that they had, which is why I was like,
I said, can I get the wings plain and can I get the sauce on the side? But you know.
But yeah, so we're going to get ice cream. Oh, y'all didn't even see Nisha because I didn't record her. But yeah. We on the way. About what?
I said it from my mom.
Like that's it's cunty. Like that's cunt.